Welcome to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you've joined me today. Get ready for a special treat. If you've ever found yourself standing in front of the makeup aisle, overwhelmed by endless foundation options, wondering which one is truly the best for your skin, today's countdown is exactly what you need. We're diving deep into Erica Taylor's top 5 best foundations, and trust me, these picks are nothing short of game changers. Whether you're looking for that flawless, airbrushed look, or a natural glow that lasts all day, we're about to uncover the foundations that have earned their place in the spotlight. So, sit back, relax, and let's jump into this countdown. You're not going to want to miss what's coming up next. Coming in at number 5 in Erica Taylor's top 5 best foundations, we have the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. If you're looking for a foundation that delivers medium to full coverage while maintaining a smooth, lightweight feel, this is one you won't want to miss. Let's talk about the formula first. This foundation has a soft, matte finish that not only controls shine, but also keeps your skin looking fresh and flawless all day long. It's perfect for those who love a matte look without that heavy, cakey feel. You won't have to worry about touch-ups, because this foundation is designed to stay put. What if you could get all-day coverage without worrying about irritating your skin? The NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation is vegan and free of parabens, which makes it an ideal choice for sensitive skin. Whether you're prone to breakouts or have a more delicate complexion, this foundation works with your skin, not against it. But it's not just about the formula, it's about the shades too. With a wide range of shades available, this foundation ensures that no matter your skin tone, there's a perfect match for you. It blends seamlessly, providing that natural finish while still offering the coverage you need. So if you're ready to ditch the foundation that fades or feels heavy and try something that delivers smooth, long-lasting results, the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation is a game changer. Trust me, once you try it, you'll want to keep it in your beauty routine for good. If you love what you're learning about these foundations, be sure to subscribe and stick around for more of Erica Taylor's top 5 best foundations. You won't want to miss what's coming next. At number 4 in Erica Taylor's top 5 best foundations, we have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. If you're after a flawless, smooth complexion that lasts all day, this one's for you. Imagine getting full coverage without the heavy, cakey feel. That's exactly what the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation offers. It's designed to provide full coverage, effortlessly concealing blemishes, dark circles, and uneven skin tone. And yet, it feels incredibly lightweight, so you can go about your day with zero discomfort. What if you could have a foundation that stays in place from morning until night? This formula is oil-free and long-lasting, so you won't have to worry about it fading or creasing. It's built to withstand the hustle and bustle of your daily routine, providing a matte finish that looks just as fresh as when you first applied it. This foundation's neutral tone is a game changer, offering a yellow-based shade that blends seamlessly into a variety of skin tones. Whether you're pale, medium, or deep, this foundation adapts beautifully, giving you that airbrushed look every time. If you're tired of foundations that fade or leave streaks, the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation's airbrush-like application will be a breath of fresh air. It glides on smoothly, ensuring a flawless, streak-free finish. So, if you're ready to upgrade your foundation game and achieve that picture-perfect complexion, the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation is the one to try. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more from Erica Taylor's top 5 best foundations. You're not gonna wanna miss what's next. At number 3 in Erica Taylor's top 5 best foundations, we have the iconic Estée Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. If you're looking for a foundation that works as hard as you do, this one is your new best friend. What if you could have a foundation that stays flawless for 24 hours, no touch-ups required? The Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation is built to last all day, with a matte finish that controls oil and stays in place, even through heat, humidity, or long nights out. This foundation offers medium to full, buildable coverage, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're looking for a light touch to even out your complexion or full coverage to hide imperfections, it gives you the flexibility to create the look you want without feeling heavy or cakey. The 2-in-1 Desert Beige shade with neutral undertones is perfect for a wide range of skin tones, and the formula is designed to work with oily, combination, and dry skin types. No matter your skin, it adapts to give you a flawless, natural-looking finish. And let's talk about its staying power. It doesn't just last, it performs. From morning to night, you won't need to worry about your foundation fading, creasing, or sliding off. The Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation is truly a game changer for anyone who needs a reliable, long-lasting base. So if you're tired of foundations that don't deliver on their promises, this one is a must-try. If you've loved what you've seen so far in Erica Taylor's Top 5 Best Foundations Countdown, stay tuned for what's next. You won't want to miss it. Are you loving the countdown of Erica Taylor's Top 5 Best Foundations? Well, don't just stand there. Give us a flawless like, hit subscribe, and press that bell icon so you never miss a beauty beat. At number 2 in Erica Taylor's Top 5 Best Foundations, we have the game-changing Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. If you want a foundation that not only lasts but also adapts to your skin's needs, this is your go-to. Imagine a foundation that instantly smooths your skin, leaving it with a pore-diffused, shine-free finish. No more worrying about oily patches or midday touch-ups. This is a foundation that builds from medium to full coverage with ease, giving you the flexibility to create your perfect look. What really sets Fenty Beauty's Pro Filt'r apart is its climate-adaptive technology. This oil-free, soft matte formula is resistant to sweat and humidity, meaning it can withstand whatever your day throws at you. Whether you're running errands on a hot summer day or heading to a night out, it won't budge and it won't clog your pores either. And let's not forget, this product has won accolades, like the 2018 Allure Best of Beauty Breakthrough Award, proving just how much it's loved by beauty enthusiasts everywhere. For those looking for that flawless finish that stays put all day, Fenty Beauty's Pro Filt'r Foundation is a must-have in your makeup bag. If you're enjoying Erica Taylor's Top 5 Best Foundations Countdown, stay tuned, because the number 1 spot is coming up next, and it's going to blow you away. And here we are, at the top spot of Erica Taylor's Top 5 Best Foundations. Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation in number 6 Medium Olive. If you've ever dreamed of achieving that perfect radiant glow without looking heavy or cakey, this is the foundation that makes it a reality. Imagine a foundation that effortlessly evens out your skin tone, conceals imperfections, and gives you a natural, luminous finish that lasts all day. That's what you get with Giorgio Armani's Luminous Silk. Buildable coverage that's customizable from sheer to medium, allowing you to achieve the exact look you want. It's the foundation that's as versatile as your lifestyle. What makes this foundation stand out is its lightweight, silky texture. It glides on smoothly, blending seamlessly to create a flawless finish. You won't even feel like you're wearing it. Just a comfortable, breathable layer of perfection that makes your skin look its best. And with skin-loving ingredients, this foundation is also working to hydrate your skin, leaving it looking healthier and more radiant over time. And let's talk about the wear. This foundation is designed to keep your complexion fresh throughout the day, resisting fading even when you're on the go. It's the perfect combination of long-lasting wear and natural glow, giving you confidence no matter what your day holds. If you're serious about achieving flawless, glowing skin that looks and feels natural, Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation is the answer. If you've enjoyed Erica Taylor's Top 5 Best Foundations Countdown, make sure to hit subscribe for more of these top picks. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of Erica Taylor's Top 5 Best Foundations. To stay in the loop with all the bestsellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Be sure to check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.